For a real-world scenario, let's say James has a certain number of apples and is given another 22. He divides the apples he has between 8 people, giving each of them 14 apples. How many apples would he have started with? Let's call the number of apples he started with x. Then x and 22 added together and then divided by 8 is equal to 14. This can be written in fraction form. Then we multiply both sides by 8 to get x plus 22 equals 14 times 8. So x plus 22 is equal to 112. Subtract 22 from both sides to get x equals 112 minus 22. The answer is x is equal to 90 apples.